Hello everyone. The video is about how to download data from an Oracle HCM instance using the VBS add-in. Oracle's Visual Builder add-in for Excel, VBS add-in, makes it easy to extract data from Oracle HCM Cloud. Prerequisites: 1. Access to Oracle HCM Cloud. 2. The Oracle Visual Builder add-in for Excel, VBS add-in. Download the Visual Builder add-in from the Oracle download page and install it. We need to check the API endpoints in the below link for all the available APIs. As we are planning to download the employee data, go to the Employees section in the link. We need to copy the path mentioned there under Employees section. We need to construct the URL in the format https://instance dsfa.oraclepdemus.com/asp/11.13.18.05/emp/describe. Our link is https://oraclepdemos.com/irastapi/resources/11.13.18.05/imps/describe. Open Excel and select the Oracle Visual Builder tab. Click on the Designer option. A modal dialog will appear. In the modal dialog, enter the API URL as the web address and click Next. When prompted, enter your credentials and click Next. In the subsequent dialog, choose the business object to download. For this tutorial, select EMPS and click Next. Choose Table Layout when prompted and click Next. Select any required descendant business objects, as needed. In the Layout Designer tab, edit the business object and set the limit parameter value as 20 in the Download tab, to view only 20 rows of data. In the Visual Builder tab, select Download Data. You will be shown a dialog to choose whether to download more data. Select Stop Now, and we can see the downloaded employee details of 20 records. We are providing Managed HCM ERP Consulting, AI for ERP, Automated Testing Enterprise Architecture Services, Redwood and Visual Builder Studio Consulting, DevOps for ERP, Keros Functional Suite.